Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to make Threads account public. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. First of all, open Threads app. Then tap here in order to go to your Threads profile. Once you are here, you will see a little lock icon, which is at the top left corner of the screen, and that means that our account is private. You want to click on that lock icon and it will open our privacy settings. You can see that we have a private account option at the top, which is enabled, so just disable it. It's going to give us a little pop-up saying anyone on or off Threads can see and interact with your content. So, when we switch to a public Threads profile, anyone can see our profile, our posts, our photos and videos that we publish, and so on. If you are sure you want to switch to a public profile, simply tap on this OK button, and you'll no longer have a private profile. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.